Welcome back, everyone. Edwin Velez here in Orlando at the AHR Expo 2025. So let's get started with our residential line. And first, we're gonna start off with our wall mounts. We're gonna continue this with our Astoria series. Our current flagship model comes in at a 28 SEER from 6,000 BTU all the way to 36,000 BTU. Has Wi-Fi included, built-in connection for our Cooper&Hunter wall thermostat, and not to mention, one of the most memorable things about it, it has the ability to remove the blower wheel, the drain pan, and the fan motor in under 1 minute. Magnetic filters, and the great thing is, with the new large return on this system, you have the ability to install it only 2 inches from the ceiling, giving you incredible abilities for all different types of applications. And continuing the legacy of our Astoria series, we're introducing our new Astoria Pro, a professional unit made for professionals. And what that's gonna include for you is a new refrigerant leak detection sensor and a new humidity sensor. And this is a great application for the new R454B Refrigerant that's coming in on all of our equipment. Another familiar face is our Olivia series. Now this beautiful unit is our workhorse system. Great for many applications, fantastic for projects, multifamily homes, large apartment complexes. Some great improvements have been made on this system as well. So it has a 26 SEER, comes in at 6,000 BTU all the way to 36,000 BTU. And we added Wi-Fi to this system, and it also has built-in connection for wall thermostat as well. Now its counterpart is Olivia Midnight. Great thing about Olivia Midnight, comes in at a 6,000 BTU all the way to 24,000 BTU, also with Wi-Fi. Fantastic unit. This is outstanding. Great for restaurants, lounges, bars, even home theater systems. So you have Olivia and Olivia Midnight, 2 incredible options readily available for you. Now the great thing is about all of these units you see here in front of you, they do work on a single zone compressor, or we can mix and match them on a multi-zone system as well. And let's not forget that the Olivia series also offers 115 volt available to you in 6, 9, and 12,000 BTU. Now that we've covered our wall mounts, let's go into our cassettes. Right above me is our one-way cassette, a familiar item to you, but with some incredible improvements. So our one-way cassette starts off at a 6,000 BTU, goes all the way to 18,000 BTU. But the cool feature that we've added now, it has a dip switch setting that allows you to change between 6, 9, and 12,000 BTU, minimizing the amount of stock you need to keep utilizing the same system. It still has that great condensation pump built in with a 21-inch vertical pump. It does come standard with a humidity sensor, wall thermostat. The panel is included, and we even include screws so you can mount it right into the ceiling joist. This is an outstanding system, great for living rooms, home family rooms, home theaters, you name it. And like all of our systems, we include that freedom of flexibility. This unit here is cross-compatible on a single zone compressor, or you can mix and match it with any of these wall mounts on a multi-zone system as well. Next up in our cassette family, our 4-way cassette. New and improved with a brand new panel, sleek design, starts off at a 9,000 BTU, goes all the way to 48,000 BTU. The next great feature that we added to this, just like our one-way cassette, dip switch settings are built in, so that way you can go between 6, 9, and 12,000 BTU. This now comes standard with a Wi-Fi wall thermostat, also has a humidity sensor built in, a new LED front panel display that shows you set temp, and easy access to the filter and to the main board underneath. Now this system here also has that great condensation pump built right in, so you get that 21-inch vertical pump, and all you do is let your pitch take care of the rest. Fresh air knockouts are built into this system with the ability to connect a third-party inlet fan. So next in our series is our universal floor ceiling console. This is an outstanding unit. Starts off at 18,000 BTU and goes all the way to 60,000 BTU, 5-ton applications. This does have your humidity sensor built in. It's gonna include that Wi-Fi wall thermostat. And the great thing about this is it gives you many applications that you could utilize this for. Not only is it great for gyms, but with this high CFM, you could use this in light commercial applications, hallways, churches, you name it. Not only can it be installed as you see here above me, but it can also be installed on the floor as a floor console. Easy access for technicians to get to the filter, easy maintenance. This is what makes it a very popular unit. Next in our series is the Universal Floor Ceiling's little sister, our mini console. Another outstanding unit, beautiful for many applications. As you can see here, it is installed on the floor. The great thing about this is it has outstanding features. You have a dual louver design from the top or the bottom if it's heating season for heating purposes. It will come standard with Wi-Fi. It comes with a wireless remote. You have a dual cylindrical blower wheel design, so it's easy for maintenance. Not only that, this unit here starts off at a 9,000 BTU. You have 12,000 and 16,000 BTU available to you as well. This does have a humidity sensor built into it, and this unit is great for many applications. Low ceiling designs, attics that have been converted, home theaters, you name it. Now, the great thing about these units, just like all of the other systems that we've designed here, this universal floor ceiling and this mini console are available in both single zone applications, or they could be mixed and matched on a multi-zone compressor. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite standalone single zone series, the MIA. The MIA is a very popular unit, and some of the great features that have been added from its previous generation, it does come with Wi-Fi included, and it has a connection for wall thermostat applications. Now the great thing is, MIA is at a 21.5 SEER. It starts off at a 6,000 BTU, goes all the way to 24,000 BTU, but it also offers 115 volt from 6,000 BTU all the way to 12,000 BTU, just like our Olivia series. But we didn't stop there. Now the MIA will come included with a 16-foot line set, communication cable, and a drain hose. Let's not forget about our ducted series. This is the Cooper&Hunter multi-position air handler, starting off at 18,000 BTU, going all the way to 60,000 BTU. This unit here does come with aluminum A-coil design, comes with magnetic filter covers, easy access to go ahead and remove, change your filter, pop that right back on. You have a flare connection setup. This unit will come with a wall thermostat included and a wireless remote. But never fear, if you don't want to use the Cooper&Hunter wall thermostat, you have a 24 volt transformer easily available to you right up front with dip switch settings, so that way you can utilize any third-party thermostat. You have the ability to add an emergency heat kit to this system. It is a variable fan speed motor with a torque sensor for automatic static pressure adjustment. Now the beautiful thing about this system, just like everything else that we have to offer, it's available to you in a single zone. But here's the great part. I could mix and match these units from 18, 24 to 30,000 BTU. I can mix and match on a multi-zone compressor with any of the other heads available to us. As mentioned before, our multi-position air handler does include a wall thermostat as usual, but with some cool upgrades. It's our compatible wall thermostat that's compatible across the series, and it is our Wi-Fi thermostat. And since we're currently talking about our ducted series, we can't forget about our Slim Duct series. The Slim Duct is a very popular unit for Cooper&Hunter, great for many applications, low ceilings, attics, you name it, it's there. Now the Slim Duct series starts off at a 6,000 BTU and it goes all the way to 60,000 BTU. The great thing about this system is between 6,000 to 24,000, I can mix and match on my multi-zone series. The cool feature that we added is the dip switch setting, just like our cassettes. So I could change dip switch settings to switch between 6, 9, or 12,000 BTU. It does come with that great condensation pump for that 21-inch vertical pump. Now the new Slim Duct system does have the new refrigerant leak detection sensor. It is going to come standard with our 120N Wi-Fi wall thermostat. And just like our other series, from 24 to 48,000 BTU, they can be installed either vertically or horizontally. So some of the major improvements that we've made on our multi-zone compressors is we've added an additional port, increasing the amount of applications for technicians. So our 18,000 dual zone just became our 18,000 3 zone, and our 36,000 4 zone is now our 18,000 5 zone, and our 5 zones went up to 6. Now this is an outstanding feature because it's going to just extend the amount of applications that technicians are dealing with on a day-to-day basis. Now this is our standard ES series at -13 degrees Fahrenheit. What we added to our hyperheat system is a cutoff valve at the unit itself. So if that refrigerant leak detection sensor communicates that there is a leak, it's going to shut off communication at that shutoff valve on the outdoor compressor for that hyperheat multi-zone system. So next, I would love to introduce the new Cooper&Hunter PEAQ series. Now the PEAQ series is a revolutionary design. This is meant for furnace replacements. We're all about that Go Green initiative, and we want to get people to stray away from utilizing fossil fuels. So what we've introduced here is our new Hyperheat Furnace Replacement PEAQ series. Now this is a full inverter system connected to a Hyperheat unit. This system here is going to provide you optimal heating in the wintertime. It starts off at 18,000 BTU and it goes all the way up to 55,000 BTU. It is a one-to-one connection. This system here does come with a wall thermostat, but the great thing is this system is also universal. I can utilize any third-party thermostat on this series here. And in the future, if something does happen and you do need to change any of the settings on it, this system here will work with any third-party condenser as well. Now, since it is a brand new series, 454B is new on the market. I don't see anyone having to do that anytime soon, but it is an outstanding unit, and we do have an emergency electric heat kit that can also be installed for supplementary heating as well. So this series here does come with a new M-coil design, which is going to increase the flow of the system. This unit does come in with over 1.2 static pressure, so it's great for long duct runs. And remember folks, this is a Hyperheat unit with the ability to go and work in ambient temperatures as low as -22 degrees. So when you match that with that new M-coil design, that 1.2 static pressure, the ability for this unit to work with any third-party thermostat, the applications on this system are endless. Guys, thank you so much for joining me to introduce our residential series with the 454B. And as usual, Cooper and Hunter, we're addicted to comfort.